A client needs a pizza flyer on a tight deadline. Let's complete this in 10 minutes. Here's the client brief. The goal is simple. Promote a pizza offer with strong visuals and clear pricing. I'll be completing this design in 10 minutes, starting now. I've already set up my document in Adobe Illustrator. This is a 1080 by 1080 canvas in RGB, optimized for social media. I start by placing the main offer and headline. Create a full bleed red background. Duplicate in place using Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+F. Select the top layer and adjust the fill color. And adjust the composition to make it feel more modern. This layout is more dynamic, with stronger focus on the image. Import the image and position it on the artboard. I changed the typography to give it a different personality. Imported a monochrome delivery element, vectorized it using image trace, then refined the paths for a cleaner result. We'll create a location pin icon from scratch using only shape tools. I'll duplicate the text using Alt plus drag. This way, if anything goes wrong, I can always revert back to the original. Now I'll add some subtle effects to the text using the Pathfinder tools, just to give it a bit more character. Next, I'll apply a gradient to the text to enhance the visual depth and make it stand out a bit more. I'll finish up with some final alignment adjustments, and we're done. Just a few seconds over, but the result is there.